guys, so my headlights have been misaligned for quite some time, especially the one on the driver's side, the low beam. So my plan tonight is to adjust it to the best of my ability. It's going to be a very unscientific way of doing this, and I'm going to use the garage wall, even though it's a couple of feet away, to try to adjust that headlight to the best of my ability, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is totally DIY, but even at first glance I can tell that the driver's side headlight, it's kind of pointed toward the middle of the car. So I'm going to have to take some measurements so I can have a good point of reference so I can make adjustments, and I'll take it from there. So I started by determining the brightest spot on the wall and using masking tape to indicate that precise point. And from there I would be able to take some measurements and use that as a reference. There are 2 adjustment screws per headlight, and those are the bigger ones. It has a little rust on it. The one on the left is for the bezel that secures the headlight to the assembly. The top one is the screw that adjusts the up and down motion of the headlight. This one here is the one that I have to concentrate on. This allows you to adjust the movement left to right, and I'm going to have to spray some WD-40 in order, I don't want to break these screws. Here I am tightening the screw in order to reposition the angle of the headlamp. Didn't know it at the time, but I ended up maxing out that adjustment screw. Not that it matters really, but I discovered that later. Same thing for the top one. And as you can see here, there was a change. The light is definitely to the left of the mark on the wall. And I also determined the center line based on, distance from the nose of the car. And to the right side is about 20 inches, while to the left was about 17 or so. I kept trying to tweak it more so it would move toward the left, and that's when it kind of got maxed out.